Okay, here's a Z80 computer. Whole slew of wires. The CPU back here. These are all, this is high address data lines, and sorry, this is high address, that's low address. This is providing power. There's nothing else connected from it. It's just very silly. This is my clock circuit, but I'm just doing a single pulse at a time off of this switch. So I can turn it on. I'm going to turn on reset real quick and go through 4 clock cycles. Turn reset off and start reading in. Okay, we're now at M1 is on, so we're at the start of our cycle at address 0. We're at reading memory request. So we're going to tell it to load the next value into the accumulator. And we read in the instruction. It's done that. We see that read and M1 are off. We're going to keep moving forward. We see that M1 is off. We're in the second part of the instruction, but we're going to read in from the first address. We're going to read in our value. So let's do a value of 2. And then read that in. That's been read. We're going to move forward again. Next instruction fetch. So M1 is on. We're fetching an instruction at the start of the cycle. We're going to tell it to add to the accumulator the next value. So again, click it forward. Okay, that's read. We're at the next address, and we're at the next, next part of the same cycle. So M1 is off, and we're reading in a value. Let's give it 3. Step forward. We've read it in, and we're at the next instruction fetch. We're at the next address, and so the instruction we're going to give it is to output. We're gonna load whatever's in the accumulator to whatever address is in the BC register, which is 0. So that's fine. We'll just do that. Okay, so it's read that in. I'm gonna turn this off so it's not confusing, but it's now gonna output our result, which is 5 at address 0. If we step forward again, so write goes high. I just added write, so we see it's outputting that value to the data at that register. Goes clear, and now we're right back at the address we were at, ready for the next instruction.